Peace, people. Welcome and welcome back to XO Courtney XO, where it's all Courtney and it's all love. So as you can see, today we are doing a hair video. I decided to try this trending invisible lock installation method. I think the name of it is either Loc Knot or Lock Bob, invisible lock bob or invisible lock knot installation. So either way it goes, if you type that in YouTube, you'll get a tutorial, because I want you to know that this is not that. This is me trying this hairstyle. I'm a person who loves the 2-strand twist hairstyle, and I feel like this is essentially that mixed with the idea of a retwist illusion, right? So I feel like that's what it's given. I will say that there are quite a few different methods on YouTube of how to do this hairstyle. This is not a tutorial. I am trying this look, okay? Because you're going to see that even right now, I'm just trying to figure out how to get it attached, how to get it together. What am I doing? And so with that being said, let me just say that I'm using the equal Cuban twist hair, the double strand style in 16 inches, color OT30. And so as you can tell, that didn't go as planned. So as I stated, I'm just trying to figure out what method to use that works best for me. So even once I finished this hairstyle, I realized that I probably should have used one of the other methods that I saw, because there are certain things that I figured out while doing this hairstyle, right? So one thing I will say is that you do want to ensure that the parts are visible so that you can see that little middle section, because that is going to give the retwist sort of illusion, right? And then also I'll say that you want to add the hair mid-shaft. You don't want to add it at the root, because again, that adds to the illusion, right? And you also will probably need to use the rope twist method, which kind of gives that little twine, so that this way the 2-strand twist is going to stay in place. And as you can see, even here, I'm trying to figure out the right length. So you have to just kind of fold the end of the strand of hair upward and then just retwist it or twist around it going downward, and then secure it with the rubber band. That's how I did it. That's how I saw a lot of the other YouTubers who I saw do this trending hairstyle do it as well. And so I am using the moisturizer booster, and I did make some hold inside of it so that I have a nice hold going on. And as you can tell, what I decided to do was just, as I said, you got to add the hair mid shaft, and as I'm twisting downwards, I'm also twisting upwards on the starter strand, and then I'm going to add the other strand. Now it may look pretty tight or like I'm adding unnecessary tension, but I'm really not. I'm really doing this extremely intimately and taking my time. I have really big hands. They're probably flailing around and moving all sorts of crazy, looking like I'm doing the most, but I'm pretty gentle with my hair. So much so that I didn't even really like how this adhered. It didn't even attach the right way. So here we go. Taking this specific strand down and restarting it. So I want to also say that one of the reasons I love this hairstyle is because, as you can see, the takedown is very simplistic. Another thing I want to say is that if you YouTube this hairstyle, again, it is the invisible lock knot bob or lock knot, right? You're going to see that there are different installation methods. And one of the installation methods, which I think I should have chosen to use, but I just have, I don't know, for some reason, when it comes to doing a flat twist on my hair, it does not pair well. It doesn't fare well. It does not go right. It doesn't work, okay? So for me, I just decided to do an outward twist as opposed to like a downward twist, right? So with a downward twist, you're kind of twisting down the hairline or down the part, and you're gonna have like a flatter portion to work with, as opposed to like an outward twist where it's given more box, as opposed to like a cornrow or like a flat, you know? So if you do this flat, where you flat twist the hair to the head and then attach the strands of hair, then you don't have to worry about some of the concerns or the issues that I came across with this hairstyle on me, which is securing the hair in place, as well as ensuring that the parts are visible. Because when you flat twist the hair down, you're going to get that automatically. So I think that I am going to try this hairstyle again, using what I've learned to just kind of finesse it and make it better. So stay tuned for that. And also, if you think I should try a different color, let me know when I do that style, because I absolutely loved how this color looks with this style. So as you can see, when I'm adding the hair, I'm just kind of twisting downward and allowing it to attach upward as well. It almost looked like I was doing it flattened in that actual strand or part, and I wish I would have, honestly. But I did come back on to say that I expect this style to last me roughly 2 weeks. I think I can get to a 3rd or 4th week if I decide to, of course, touch it up. And I'll also say that this style was really cool, really simple. It took me about 3 to 4 hours, 3.5 to 4 hours. I suggest that you try it. If you do, let me know how it goes. And yeah, with that being said, you know the vibes. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Then turn on that button and get notified. Also, stay tuned because I did style the hair a few times just to kind of give you an idea of how you can wear this look. And then I also did my little makeup, and I think I'm getting a little bit better with my makeup. And not only that I'm getting better, but I'm coming into the makeup look that I like, makeup looks that I like, that I don't mind wearing, that actually makes makeup fun for me, because I don't really like to wear makeup for an everyday look, to be honest. I kind of like to zhuzh things up if I'm going to do it, right? So I didn't do the back of my hair on camera because it was just too much. My setup is a little bit different when I'm doing the back of my hair. And again, if I would have did the flat twist style, then the back of my hair would have looked so much better, or the flat twist method for this individual illusion method, because as you can see, like, my parts are so too big for me to have it honestly singular in the way that it is, or just an outward twist. It definitely should have been done downward, something that I learned. So I likely wear this hairstyle upward in a ponytail for the most part, but I have options. Again, peace, people. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on that button and get notified. All right, y'all.